Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download NBA 2K25 My Team on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for NBA 2K25 My Team. You'll find the official app by 2K Sports. Tap Install to begin downloading. This version includes online play, cross-progression, and controller support. If for any reason the Play Store version isn't available in your region, you can safely obtain it via up-to-down, download the APK from their official site. After downloading, tap on the file to install it. You may need to allow installations from unknown sources in your settings. Next, once it's installed, open the app, log in with your PlayStation or Xbox account. This enables cross-progression, or use a guest or Google login if you prefer mobile only. Finally, ensure you have an active internet connection, sufficient storage space, around 4GB, and a device with Android 9 Plus to run the game smoothly. The app requires these minimums. And that's how you get NBA 2K25 My Team on your Android device. Thanks for watching.